Hello, I'm Neil Rollins, and I'm going to show you how to connect your telephone and connect up your dock and PC and monitor. I'm going to start with the telephone. It should start basically the backs of the phone come off, and there are a couple of ports on the back, one labeled LAN, one labeled PC. On the wall there will be a jack with either 2 or 4 ports on it. We'll take the blue cable or whatever color cable it is, and we'll insert that into the LAN port. What you should see is the phone beginning to light up. You need to be very patient here. It'll go through several initialization screens, even come up with an error. Just be very patient. If the error continues, then you'll need to call one of the IT department. But it will eventually come up. Once it comes up, then you'll want to go with a second cord, and this is to connect your PC up, and this will go into the PC slot, and this back is a little bit difficult, but it snaps in that. And then we're ready to go to the dock. The dock has different connections on the back. They're all different. None of them can interchange, so you can't hurt it. You can't plug the wrong thing into the wrong port. We're going to start by plugging in our power to the dock. And that will go down here in the bottom. In a second, we will plug the power and dock port into the side of the tablet. Once that's done, we will plug in our network cable that comes from the phone to the PC. It will go in the only place it will plug in. And if everything else is connected, the power must be connected, and the dock on the computer needs to be connected. If both of those things are connected, you will get lights so that you'll know. This may be hard to see, but you'll see 2 little lights, a green and a yellow. You don't need to pay attention to the colors that may be different depending on ports that they're plugged into on the switch, but you'll get those lights to know that it's working correctly. So once you've got that, now you've got your tablet connected, the network is connected, you're on, and now you'd like to connect the monitor, your second monitor, which is on your desk. There's a couple of ports on here. The DV, digital video port, which is this, and there's a little adapter that goes from digital video to HDMI. You'll just plug that in. It's the only place it will plug also. There's no way to really mess this up. You can't plug it in the wrong place. So you plug that in the bottom. You'll take your HDMI cable, plug it into the bottom of that. Like so. Bring the other end of your HDMI cable over and put it in the dock like that. And you should get a signal within just a few minutes. And that is you'll have, I will go over, there's a couple of USB ports on the back for keyboard and mouse, and there's a couple of 3.0 USB ports on the front also of the dock for USB sticks, whatever you have, and a headphone jack or microphone jack. So that is about it. It's as simple as that. Thank you.